Let's go ahead and make that creamy chipotle sauce that you go crazy over when you go to restaurants or places that buy your fish tacos. Let's start off with 6 peppers of chipotle, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and go ahead and get your yellow pepper juice and put 2 tablespoons of this as well, and close it, give it a little shake, and put it in your magic bullet or your blender, whatever you guys have. Give it a little blend, and you're gonna notice it's pretty thick and it's gonna need some water. So the next thing we want to do is go ahead and give it a little shake again, open it up, and get just half a cup of water. And this can be the easiest recipe you find online. Don't even look around. This thing's delicious, good. You don't need to add salt, none of that. It's super good, tangy, and spicy enough. And spicy enough for anybody. All right, give this thing another blend. This thing took me about 5 minutes to make or less, so you can do the same. Once it's all ready to go, get yourself a little jar. I like this little spread jar, and go ahead, throw it in, and there you guys have it, man. Delicious creamy chipotle sauce. You can put on tacos. You can put this on chicken nuggets, fries, whatever you guys want. Thanks for watching. Bye.